Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another interesting topic in the Tosca automation playlist. Now, we have already seen how we can execute our test cases manually by going through each step and verifying it manually on the system under test. But there is also a way through which you can directly set your automation result to either pass, failed, or no result for the specific execution entry. So let's see how you can do this. So if you go ahead and open a particular execution list and then you go to the execution entry, here currently it is set to passed. But if I want, I can set this manually to either passed, failed, or no result. So when you right click on the execution entry, you see an option called set result. Now there are three options, as I said. There is passed, there is failed, and no result. So I can set this to no result, and then it will ask me for a comment. So I can say manually set to no result. And then I can click on OK, and you will see that the recent execution will be set to no result. Also, in the log info, you will see who has set this particular result. So it was set by admin, and it will also show you the specific comment. So manually set to no result. Okay. Similarly, I can go ahead and again set this result to failed. And then I'm going to say manually set to failed. Okay. And again, you will see this test case will now be failed. In the log info, also it will be highlighted that this whole test case has failed. It will enter it into the start time, into the logs, and also it will specify which user has done that and why he has done that in the comments. So it's a pretty easy and quick way of manually setting a particular result for your test cases in execution lists. This could be useful during releases when you want to start freshly for a particular test case, you want to set it to no result, or maybe you have tested that particular feature in your application and you found it is not working, so you manually set this test case to failed. So this way you can modify the result of any particular execution entry in your execution lists. That's all for this particular video. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.